Start. My speaker, sir, I shall not make a lengthy speech on this occasion, as I know that there will be another opportunity to discuss the budget. But I wish to take this opportunity to point out certain things. Some honorable ministers of this government may perhaps find place in the new ministry also, so they may be able to consider the removal of some of the deficiency noticed in this budget if the way in which the supplementary demands were presented to us may be any indication to us. We are sorry to state that the government have not provided enough funds for education. In particular, I request the government that they must provide larger amounts for higher education. In their enthusiasm for primary education, it is necessary that they should not forget their responsibility with regard to higher education. I would like to point out that without teachers and students trained in higher education, it is not possible to spread even primary education. So I would urge upon this government to provide more money for higher education. Para. I hope the government will also make up their minds to change the rules regarding grants in aid to school and colleges. At present, the rule says that only rupees 75,000 will be given for any particular scheme in an arts or science college. It should be scrapped if a particular college deserves rupees 7 lakhs and if a particular university deserves rupees 7 lakhs, then the government should not hesitate to give the amounts to the college and university respectively. If on the other hand they do not deserve anything, let them not give even anything, whether it is an arts college or a science college. They must examine the necessity for buildings, laboratories, etc. And if they come to the conclusion that there is need for such thing, they must give the whole amount or at least half of the cost of this thing to this institution. The system of giving only rupees 75,000 should be given up. I am told that the same rule applied to school also. It must be changed if the government are convinced that there is need for a school to have a particular amount for buildings and other things. They must give the whole or at least a substantial portion of that amount. Para. I would like the government to change their policy with regard to educational institution so far as university education is concerned. Standard must be raised. In the last few years, there has been deterioration in standards both in the high schools and in the colleges. Science has advanced in other countries. It is not possible for our boys to learn this subject if their basic education in the high school. Stop.